I see how it is.
I can't wait to get my favorite candy. Been waiting all day.
Hey, I want that.
What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, I forgot my card. Gotta steal her gas. Shoot, she's coming. $37.50? It usually fills up in $15. I really need to use the bathroom. Hey! What the heck? Oh my gosh. I wonder who's at the door. Where did my lemonade go?
Hey, how's your day been?
It's been awful.
I can see that. Must suck.
You have literally been a jerk to me all day.
You've been a jerk to me!
What are you talking about?
What do you mean, what am I talking about?
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh,
I haven't done
you're
anything
such a
to you.
liar.
Can I interrupt something?
No!
Oh, okay.
You've literally been a jerk to me all day.
A jerk? You're the one who ran into me in the hallway earlier and you didn't even apologize.
What are you talking about? It was an accident.
Oh, an accident. Do you even know the golden rule?
No, what's that?
Treat others how you want to be treated.
Treat others like you want to be treated, huh? Been waiting all day.
Hey,
$37.50? Hey, what the heck? In that case, so we're done now.
yeah, I think we're done.
Okay, bye.